Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build your own house in Roblox. Let's get started. First, join a Roblox game that allows home building like Bloxburg, Adopt Me, or Brookhaven. Then, find a plot or house spot, then tap the building or edit house button. Use in the in-game menu to place walls, floors, and rooms. You can drag, resize, and rotate parts of your house. Go to the decor or furniture section to add beds, sofas, lights, kitchen items, and more. Customize with colors, wallpapers, and flooring. Use your in-game money or coins to unlock more items. Then save your design, explore it in a first-person view, and invite friends oversee your creation. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.